So first things first, of course, you got your products, your little bowl mixer, your bleach, your 30 volume developer, and on the right side, I see my got to be glued in 2 versions of the Adore hair dye. Exit out, boo. We're not gonna need that today because I'm gonna show you how I got this banging color without it. So the hair that we're using is the Deep Curl by Naked Nature, wet and wavy. I did get it from my local beauty supply store. It's lace, full lace in the front. I don't mess with lace. I usually do closures, but you know, hey, I'm only doing this full front lace because I'm gonna add bangs to my hairstyle. And I decided to go with a different vibe. You know, I'm not really used to doing curly wigs. I'm more to the, 26-inch me please wigs. I got about 3 or 4 of them. I said, let me switch up the game a little bit. So this time I wanted to go for a more, scissor her, control, I used to know her type vibe or whatever. So you're just gonna see me go through, dye the hair real quick. You didn't see me put the bleach in the bowl. I'm not the one to really measure. I just get whatever consistency I like, make them both match, half and half. Hey, do your thing. So you're just gonna see me go through here and bleach the full wig. I did leave the bleach in there for about 30 minutes. And I did put a plastic bag over it because I was too lazy to do foil. So now I'm going to rinse out the hair. I rinse it out in cool water. I am using the Manoy Coconut Oil Nourishing Shampoo, and it does not have any sulfates, because if it has sulfates, it's going to strip your hair, child. Don't do it. And I also use my Aussie Moist, stay with it. Use it on weaves, use it on my natural hair all day, every day. Don't play. That is the color of my wig after I took it out of the bag. Just wanted you guys to see what it looks like, because I'd be always wondering, like, does it look right when I try to do this myself on other people's tutorials? I just be like, I'm just trying to give y'all a little bit more detail. But I rinse it out with cold water. That is the color of it. That curl pattern is bomb. That thing is fire. Okay, so this is the color of my hair. So I'm gonna let y'all in a little secret. Of course, you cannot re-dye hair with it being wet, so you have to let it dry. I was not going to sit there all night waiting for it to dry, nor was I about to blow dry my hair. So I used the Golden Hot Jet Bonnet. Man, I'm so clutch for this. So I used that. Literally, it dried the full wig in like 5 to 7 minutes. Boom. Boom, baby. You put the blow dryer in the end of it. You put the cap on the head. Done data. Okay, so here is what the wig looked like after my wig finished drying. The curls came out very beautiful, and I'm about to go in and bleach it one more time. So this go around, I decided not to be lazy. I said, Tam, go ahead and put the foil on it, girl. Just do it. Just do it. So I did put the bag over top as well. I just need this thing to process because I was not about to stay up all night for this. But it came out pretty well. So I washed the hair, I shampooed the hair, put conditioner in it, and I am very adamant about making sure that my hair stays hydrated. So one thing that I do, it's really the equivalent, to me, it's the equivalent to letting your hair sit like 30 minutes with conditioner in it. So what I do is after I condition it, I don't rinse it out yet. I comb it through, put it in a plastic bag, and I leave a little hole in the end. Then I put it in the microwave for a minute. And when I tell you guys, when I rinse this hair out, it is so silky smooth. It like melts in your hand. It's amazing. And this is what my hair looked like after I put it underneath that dryer. These curls are magical. After I got this color, I said, you know what, Tam, you don't even need to do the watercolor method with this. You gonna keep this wig as is. Why fix something if it's not broken? So this is what I went with. And y'all about to see me just cut my wig and do what it do. Alright, so I'm just cutting my frontal real quick, and I'm gonna look like I'm talking in the video, but I'm just talking to my friend on the phone. And I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I think I cut the lace a little bit too far back. I was kind of disappointed. I told y'all it was the first time that I did an actual full frontal, but F it. This hair is gonna be in my face anyway, so I was like, whatever. I didn't really care that much. So now I am about to cut the bangs into my hair, and baby, let me tell y'all, this is my first time doing bangs. Not the bangs. No, but for real, this is my first time doing bangs, and I was very, I just want to make sure I cut them long at first, because you know, once you cut them off, you cannot get them back. You can't. So I just went from there. Then I started to brush out my hair because I wanted the big, you know, voluminous. Wow. I wanted the big curls. I did. I wanted them. So that's why I got to go back to school. But I'm gonna use my wand to curl the hair and everything. And after I curl the hair, I then split the hair individually, and then I curled it with my finger, coiled it with my finger, whatever, so it can be, you know, give that big bouncy look.